Welcome back to Incoa News. The state level launch of the Nasha Mukti Yuva for Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan was held at Government College Sakli to promote a drug free lifestyle among youth. The campaign focuses on spreading awareness about substance abuse and encouraging community participation to release the vision of Nasha Mukt Goa and Vikasit Bharat.
I will not consume any harmful
I do not consume any harmful
or intoxicating substance
or intoxicating substance
in any form
in any form
or for any purpose,
or for any purpose,
and I will also encourage
and I also encourage
others to stay away from intoxicants.
others to stay away from intoxicants.
I resolve to make an active contribution
I resolve to make an active contribution
towards building a Nasha Mukta Bharat
towards building a Nasha Mukta Bharat
and to make my family,
and to make my family,
friends,
friends,
relatives,
relatives,
neighbors, and every person
neighbors and every person
I come in contact with aware of the ill effects of substance abuse.
I come in contact with aware of the effects of substance abuse.
Today we have come for the Nasha Mukti Bharat talk given by Honorable PM Minister. And today was a very successful talk, and it was very encouraging as Honorable Prime Minister talked about the awareness, and there was a video shown on how it affected us and how it would take another person's life and affect the one surrounding. So today we will try to spread the awareness from everyone around us, and we will try our best to save everyone.
It was a very wonderful experience where we got to learn about more how the government is supporting us youth and how they want us to tackle this thing of addiction. As you can see over here, Gen Z against addiction, Nasha Mukt Bharat for Viksit Bharat. It is an initiative by the government for us, but to help the youth and also the community of India to prevent addiction, to go and follow a better path other than addiction, where we can do sports, where we can have multiple hobbies, and where we can enjoy our lives more better way rather than going and doing addiction. I'm Sudha and I'm from Nursing College.
Even,
Bamole.
even you saw the street play. After watching the street play, what you came to know?
That street play wasn't just a play, it was reality of multiple students. How students get into peer pressure and then FOMO, and how they just end up doing addiction. It shouldn't be done. And one more thing, if you have observed in the street play, it was that they were showing that in the initial part that the student was alone, he was feeling alone. But in reality, in the later part also, it was clearly shown that the student is not alone. There are multiple people, there are the communities there, the parents are there, the people are there, the rehab centers are there to help support the people of those who are doing addiction. So nobody is alone over here in this fight.
From your side, what do you like to say for the students?
For students, I would like to say that life is very big. Do everything that you like. Addiction is not the only thing that you have to do, or drugs. But other than doing drugs, you go do bungee jumping, you go do some adventure, go for solar travels, do everything that you like. Other than addiction, you all want to start even content creation, yeah? Make your parents, make your family proud, enjoy your life.
लॉन्ग प्रोग्राम अटेंड केल्लो युवा महोत्सवाचो युवा संकल्प विकसित भारत प्रोग्राम तुमकां खूब खूब बरी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळी ड्रगाचे बद्दल सांगले की ड्रग्स म्हणजे कशे तुका भायर सरपाचे कशे ड्रगा कडल्यान पयस रावपाचे कसले हे सबस्टन्सीस कोण घेता तुमकां सांगपाचे की हे बरें न्ही तुका भायर येवपाक जाय आनी हो प्रोग्राम खूब खूब इन्फॉर्मेटीव आसलो आमच्या
दाखवलेले व्हिडिओ खूप कितें शिकपाक मेळ्ळें की कशें आमी पयस रावप कशें आमी आपली स्वताची आमी हेल्प करूं शकता ते व्हिडिओ पळोवन बेसिकली सगळे स्टुडंटा खातीर आनी कोण ड्रग्साक इन्वॉल्व सगळे खातीर ते खूब हेल्पफूल आसता आनी आमकांय खूब कितें शिकपाक मेळ्ळें
यूथ जेन्ना म्हणटा तेन्ना यूथ खुबशे ड्रग्साक वा जे बॅड हॅबिट्स युथाक कडल्यानूच स्टार्ट जाता सो हाचेर तूं कशें पळयता यूथ म्हणून कारण तुजे फ्रेंड सर्कल आशिल्ले खुबशे कॉलेजीन खुबशे तुवें खूब पळयलें आसतलें जे बॅड हॅबिटान आसतले सो तूं एज अ यूथ म्हणून कितें मेसेज दिवं एज अ स्टुडंट म्हणून
एज अ यूथ एज आपले फ्रेंड सर्कल आमकां बरें दवरूंक जाय आमी कोणा वांगडा बसता उठता तेजेर आमकां लक्ष दवरूंक जाय आनी आपले स्वताची डिसिजन आमी स्वताच घेवंक जाय
नशामुक्त अभियान पूरे भारत में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री और गृहमंत्री जी के उनके इनिशिएटिव पे चल रहा है और इसी सिलसिले में आज पूरे राष्ट्रीय स्तर का एक बड़ा कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया जा रहा है जिसमें आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी संबोधित करेंगे और इसमें आप देख रहे हैं कि गोवा यूनिवर्सिटी के बहुत सारे युवा और पूरे गोवा में अलग अलग भागों में भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स और पंचायत भी इससे जुड़ रहे हैं क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी समस्या है जिसमें किसी एक विभाग से हल नहीं हो सकती है। इसमें पूरे समाज और सरकार के सारे विभागों को मिलकर काम करना होगा, तभी इस समस्या का निराकरण हो सकता है। और अगर हम सब लोग संकल्प करें तो अगले 3 सालों में हम देश को नशा मुक्त बना सकते हैं और अगर हमारा यूथ नशा मुक्त हो सकता है तो विकसित भारत 2047 का जो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का सपना है वो हम साकार कर सकते हैं।
So every time Goa police create awareness about this. So what would be your strong message for the youth?
इसमें मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि नशा हमें कमज़ोर बनाता है और अगर नशा करना ही है तो राष्ट्र प्रेम का नशा करें, देश हित का नशा करें, समाज का अच्छा करने का नशा करें और तब देखिए कि कितना फ़र्क आप अपने अंदर महसूस करेंगे और देश को कितना मजबूत बना सकें।